In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a pistachio crusted salmon fillet in under 20 minutes. Let's get cooking. Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below. This week's video is another quick meal prep recipe that I love to make. It's a pistachio crusted salmon fillet. For this pistachio crusted salmon recipe, we're gonna combine 5 or 6 fresh ingredients into a bowl, crust our salmon, and bake it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, making this a perfect dinner recipe or a very simple, quick meal prep. No more beating around the bush, let's get into it. The first thing we have to deal with is our pistachios. These are salted and roasted, no shell pistachios, and we're gonna crush these up. You can use a knife and just cut them up, but I'll show you a little bit of a simpler technique. We're gonna dump a 1/4 cup of pistachios into a freezer bag. Go ahead and get the air out. With all the pistachios laying flat, go ahead and grab a heavy bottom pan and just give them a good whack. And once they're all nice and crushed up, we're just gonna put them back in our bowl. Next thing we have to do is make our glaze. We're gonna do that by adding 1 tablespoon of neutral oil. This is just gonna help give it some color as it bakes in the oven. You can use butter for this, but oil gives you a little bit nicer finish. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. A tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Use a high quality mustard here. This is gonna make all the difference in the flavor of your pistachio crusted salmon. And for a little bit of sweetness, we're gonna use 5 mils or 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Last but not least, we're gonna crush in 1 clove of garlic. And if you don't have a garlic press, you can mince 1 clove of garlic. Give this a mix until it's all well combined. And then we're ready to prep our salmon. Now that all our ingredients are ready, it's time to prep our salmon. I have 2 7-ounce salmon fillets here. You can use this recipe on a full piece of salmon, but I prefer fillets for the meal prep version. We're gonna place those on a parchment lined baking sheet. Using our pastry brush, we're just gonna cover these in a little bit of our glaze. Don't worry if it runs down the side. Be very generous with this. It's not gonna hurt to put too much on here. With whatever mustard maple mix we have left, we're just gonna dump in our pistachios and give this a good mix. This is just gonna help bind together the pistachios as we put them on so that we don't lose too many. And it's also gonna give it a ton of flavor. Now just top each salmon fillet with about half of this pistachio mix. Spread it out nice and evenly. Once your salmon fillets are topped with the pistachio mixture, pop this into a preheated 375 degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes until they're fully cooked through. These took 13 minutes in the oven, cooked to 145 degrees. Let's go ahead and get them plated up. And there you have it, guys. That is how you make a pistachio crusted salmon fillet in under 20 minutes. Perfect for a quick, easy dinner at night, or can be kept in the fridge for 3 to 4 days as a delicious meal prep. Let's find out how it tastes. The high quality mustard just cuts right through. It's incredibly delicious on the palate. When you cook it, you get this beautiful flavor that comes through mixed with the saltiness of the pistachios and the natural flavors from the salmon. This is an absolutely knock out of the park dish. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up button. To see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and comment down below what you want to see me make next week. Until next time, get cooking.